Welcome back to my channel, Life with Ashley. I am Ashley and I am back with another video. So it is morning. I am actually getting ready for work. Yes, I have on my scarf. I won't take my scarf off until it's actually like time to go. But I wanted to turn the camera on and start this video for you guys. I am going to be cleaning out my fridge and I want you guys to see. So see the whole process and everything. But anyway, I am getting ready for work this morning. I'm making me some beef bacon. Couple pieces for myself. So just for me, I'm gonna go pop my daughter a couple of pancakes in the microwave. Just Eggo pancakes. That's how we do it because they're done in a minute, 60 seconds, and we're done. I'm gonna show you guys the fridge before. I'm gonna show you guys the fridge after. And then I'm gonna show you guys the process that I'm gonna use to clean the fridge out. So before I open the fridge, I just want you to know that I have not cleaned this fridge out. I don't even know. It's at least 7 months, at least. So I'm being somewhat trifling right now, but we're gonna get it done and then we're gonna record it. And we're gonna make a video out of it. Period. Anyway, yeah, so you guys saw the fridge. So I will be back later when I get off work and we will clean the fridge. I will see you guys when it's time to clean. Okay, all right. Hey YouTube, I am back. It is nighttime, basically. Let me show you guys. And so I am whispering because everybody is asleep. Well, not everybody, but everybody is asleep. So I'm back to record the kitchen clean out. And I really didn't want to do this video this late, but tomorrow's grocery day, so I just want to get this together because it is really